Looking at the trusty Timex Iron Man. Look where we are, that's right. We're at the Comfort Suites in Moab, Utah. And as you can tell, can't get a view of the mountains once we get focus. There. And then, yeah. Look over there, you can see more mountains. And then more over there, because we're in Utah. A city with mountains. And this is the town of Moab, Utah. So we're going to do a full hotel tour of this hotel. And plus we don't need to worry about the key card. Because we got Carly. It's a very nice hotel. Front desk. It's really nice. Got a TV room.
Business center.
Coffee over there. Business center. This is a nice breakfast buffet. The buffet's over there though, but it's closed. A fire pit. And then the marketplace. And plus they got Cheez-Its and shampoo and all that. And we got beverages. And we got frozen treats. Oh, we're gonna get a view of the pool also.
Yeah, we'll do that.
You go down here, there's the elevators, but we're not gonna ride those yet. There's nothing in there. If you go out here, if you go in here, have a fitness center. Plus they got TVs. This is real nice. Got weights, stretching board, towels, and cool water. It's nice and cool in here too. Now we're gonna go check out the pool. The pool is. Yeah, if you look in there, there's a laundry room, but if you look in there, you can see there's a fitness center. And we're not into the pool entrance though. This is a long hallway too. It may take a little to get to the pool because it's right across from us, that door.
Run?
Huh?
Run.
Well, I'm not sure if we're really allowed to run in hotels. But out this door you can get a view of the pool. And here there's a staircase. There's another room. Got a pool. I'm gonna hold the door. Actually, I'm gonna just get through the gate. No, I got a hot tub and a pool. The spot could be hot. This is a nice pool, and you can even get a view of the mountains. And now we're going to check out. And now we're going to ride the elevator. And this is a nice hotel tour too, because the pool has a spa also. I'm not sure if you can get a view there, but there's the front desk. And the elevators should be up here somewhere. And the elevators we're going to be approaching about right now. We're approaching the elevators about right now. Laundry's room and another ice and vending.
Watch me break something, right?
These are old-fashioned Otis elevators. Front desk and then long hallway also. I'm not sure if this camera is that big though. But we just passed the fitness center. I'll get one more. It's nice. And plus they got a staff room only here. Listen to that motor.
Shall we press?
These are old-fashioned Otises. is our Otis. Look at that, LED numbers. So there's 2 of them. Stuff I need to keep card. Look in the mirror, here you see hi. And as you can tell, if you look through here, I've got a new iPod case. Plus I got a new iPod too. And we got an elevator. It's a really nice elevators, as you can see. We're gonna go to 3. And door close when I push the button. I like that. Whoa, it's a bump. Holds 1,580 kilograms, 3,500 pounds. No, I thought we were going to ride down here.
we're going down.
And now we'll go back down to 1. Because of cab view. Now it's time for our cab view. I love the fashion in here. It's real nice. And there's Carly. Hey. Do love the LED lights, but they're really blind the camera. This is a Otis, how you can see. Otis fixtures. Oh, another phone case, but firefighter's operation.
We're going back up.
Light is used. Okay, now we're going back up to 3. Now take a look at the room. And this time we'll watch the numbers. Bump. Accessories, independent service, fan, light, and access. We'll get out. We've got ice and vent in there. And there it goes. And now we're going to take a look at the room. And it's not that much of a far walk also. And besides, we're way down here. And I'll just do the key card.
Show the view out the window.
Yeah. Look out here, you can see the city of Moab. Yeah, if you look over there, you can see more mountains. Because we're going to Arches National Park after we stay here for 2 nights. It is a nice view also. Now, it is now time to take a look at the room. 301. You come in the room. It's a very nice room. This is bigger than any other hotel room also. Start the tour. Coffee, water bottles, fridge, and a microwave. Let's go in the bathroom. As you can tell, this one has 2 sinks this time. Tissues, towels, and keep towels in there. Toilet paper rolls. And then more than 10 bolt shower, water faucet, shower curtain, and then here's your faucet, I think. Bemis satellite toilet. I don't think you know any of these, but I don't know how these work. Bemis toilet. Smooth skin lotions. Got some soap bars. Hair dryer.